Okay, yard smash out in the wild. That way. All right, let's have some fun. I've never been out in the wild with this airplane. Actually, I'm tail heavy in the wind, but I'm Andre. That's Yard Smash, part of the Yard Class Challenge, and wow, first time flying out in the open, a little windy here, but it seems to do it really well. I want to try 3S, get a little bit more of a CG on it, but overall, I'm happy with the design. It felt like it could use a little bit more power, but hey, whatever, right? 2S, under 250 grams, perfect little airplane. Get up there, woo! It hauls. Tree, yeah. Oh! Medium rates felt nicer. This thing is actually not too bad. Probably use a tiny bit more power. It might be actually really good on 3S. But once you get the hang of it. Tree surfing, boys. Woo! There you go. Cool.